Hi, I'm Dave Robinson, Applications Team Leader here at Makino. I'm the Applications Team Leader for the EDM Applications team. And today we want to talk about the Makino UX series Wire EDM machines and its motion control system. I'm going to go through some of the parts of the motion control system and the specs and the importance of those parts. So first thing we want to talk about is this machine is a ball screw motor encoder machine. So the first thing is the rotary encoder. So it is a 0.1 micron rotary encoder, which you can see here on the back of the motor. These motors are a direct drive motor with a proprietary coupling system. So there's no belts or anything like that. It's a direct drive on the ball screw itself. So we do have the largest linear guides and ball screws in its class on the EDM side. Second part of that motion control system is also the constant springs. Those constant springs add constant tension, basically take the backlash out, so adds accuracy to the system as well. So again, with that direct drive ball screw driven by the motor encoder, and then the constant springs holding back tension on that as well. Thank you for joining us today with an overview of that motion control system for the Makino UX series Wire EDM machines. Thank you.